Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5P, and I'll show you how to clean storage on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see the storage section. Just click here once, and to clean your storage, clean here to the clean up button. Wait a second here. And as can you see here, we got the auto storage cleaned section. And here we can also clean up all of this. All of this data here. We can also uninstall them, but I don't want to just do that. But here you can see the junk files, and we should just delete them to clean our device cache, the system cache. And here, as can you see, by this way we can clean our device storage. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.